Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and this is Movement with Liz. Today we're going to do a short power flow, perfect to start your day or any time of day you feel you need a little pick-me-up or a little energy boost. Let's begin with the knees wide, sitting the hips back, reach the arms out long, lower the body down coming into child's pose. If you need to, you can bring the hands in, rest the forehead on the fists. Connecting into your breath, breathing in through the nose, breathing out either through the nose or the mouth. 3 more, breathing in, breathing out. Reach those arms forward as far as you can, pull the shoulders down. One more breath. Pressing the hips back towards the heels. Pull the body forward. Bring the knees underneath the hips. Bring the wrists underneath the hips. Reaching opposite arm and leg out. Taking right arm out, left leg out long. Reaching long with the fingers and the toes. And then a little kick out to the side with the arm and the leg. Bring it back in to center. Lower back down. We're going to do the same side. We're going to do that 5 more times. Breathing in as you reach. Breathing out, kick it out to the side. Breathing in, come back through to center. Breathing it out, lower back down. Working with your breath. Three more times. Pressing that supporting hand down into the mat. Drawing the belly lightly up towards the spine. One more time. Try to get the arm up in line with the knee. Keep the leg in line with the hip. Swapping sides. Breathing in to reach. Breathing out, that little kick out. Breathing in. Breathing out to lower. Breathing smoothly. This will make the movement nice and smooth. We have 2 more. One last time. Press the hips back into child's pose. Reach the arms out long again. Let the hips sink down towards the heels. We're going to warm up the upper body. Breathing in, pull the body forward. Bending the elbows, lower down. Breathing out, press back up. Sit the hips back towards the heels. We're going to build on this. Breathing in, pulling the body forward. You can stay down on the knees for this next one. Lower the body down as you breathe in. Then breathing out to press it back up. Sit the hips back. Option now, if you'd like to, breathing in as you pull forward. You're going to lift the knees up. Lower the body down, bending through the elbows. Big breath out to press. And we're going to sit the hips back into downward facing dog. Now we're going to start to get nice and warm here. Anytime if you need to drop it back down to the knees, you can come back into that child's pose, or we're going to stay up on our toes, moving from downward facing dog into our push-up. And we're going to do 10 more. Using your breath, breathing in, lower, breathing out, press. Let the hips press up, the heels sink down just as far as feels okay. Breathing in, breathing out. Moving now with your own breath. Seven more. Or until you've made it to 10. If you're on the knees, maybe try one from the toes. 4 more. Focusing on nice smooth breath, nice smooth movement. 2 more. Beautiful work. Last one. Then pressing the hips up. Child's pose is always there if you need it. Lower down to the knees. Sitting back onto the heels. Take a little roll through the wrists. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit warmer now. You may even find the heart rate is up. Coming back onto the hands and knees. Walk the hands just a little bit further out in front. Let's press it back into downward facing dog. Breathing in, take the right leg up, opening up through the hip. Point that knee up towards the ceiling. Pull the heel down towards your butt cheek. Get a nice opening through that hip. Might feel that down the thigh. Next time you breathe out, come back through to center. Step the right leg through. Coming up into high lunge. Reaching the arms. Sink down into that front leg. Now we're going to add a little burn through our legs here. Take a breath in. Bend that back knee. As you breathe out, press through the front foot. Lift that left knee up. We're going to move through this another 5 times. Breathing in, reach the arms up, step the back leg back. Breathing out, press through that right foot, lift the knee. So a little bit of balance, a little bit of strength. Breathing in, sink that back knee. Breathing out, press through that right foot. Whoop. Little negotiation there with the balance. Let's do that one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. Now take the left leg back long, coming into warrior 3. Option for the hands, they can be at the heart. You can reach them back behind you or even reach them out in front. Take one more breath in and out. Breathing in, step the left leg back, reach the arms up, bring the hands down to the mat, step the right leg back, downward facing dog. Let's take our flow here, breathing in, lower down, breathing out, pressing up into upward facing dog. Press the hips back to downward facing dog. Take a clearing breath here, big breath in, breathing out. Moving to the left side, take a breath in, left leg lifts, open up through that hip. Keep pressing down evenly through both palms. Next time you breathe out, step the left leg through, reach the arms up, high lunge. And let's create that nice little burn through the left side. Breathing in, sink the right knee down. Breathing out, lift the right knee up. Let's find our way through this movement using our breath. Let's do that 4 more times. Nice and controlled. Really press through that left foot as you step up. One more time. Lengthen the right leg back. Coming into warrior three, take whatever option works best for you with the hands. Take one more breath in and out. Lightly step the right leg back, reach the arms up. Bring the hands down to the mat, step the left leg back, downward facing dog. Let's take our flow. Let's take a nice little breath here in downward facing dog. And then either walking to the top of your mat, bringing the feet wide, or take a nice little hop, landing down into a low squat. Bring the hands to the mat, lift the hips up. Let the upper body here, let it dangle. You can grab opposite elbows, take a nice little sway from side to side. Release the elbows, press down through the feet, rolling up all the way to standing. Step the feet wide, and then toes pointing forward, outside edge of the foot in line with the short end of your mat. And then turn your toes outward. We're going to be coming in and out of Skandasana here, changing sides. Now, option is, if you need to, you're going to stay up high and shifting your body weight from side to side. The knee is going to go the same direction as your toes. Just depending on our hip mobility, our knees and our ankles, this will vary the range that you get. So working with your body instead of trying to force it into something that it does not want to do or can't do, and that's okay. So let's lower down, coming down as far as feels okay for you. Right knee bending. You can have the hands down on the mat if you need to, or take a little challenge here. Bring the hands into prayer. Whatever option you're choosing today is perfect. We're going to use our leg strength, maybe a little bit of upper body strength, shifting the weight into the other side. Beautiful work. Holding here. Keep the chest up. Breathing nice and smoothly. Press down through that left foot. Shift it over to the right. Let's go back to the left. Let's go one more time to either side. Press through that left foot. Beautiful movement here. One more time to the left. Bring the hands down to the mat, shift it back through to center. Point the toes forward, press down through the palms, lengthening through the spine. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, fold the upper body forward. You can grab onto the big toes here with the middle and the index finger. Think nice and long through the spine, pressing out through the outside edge of both feet. Take one more breath. Bring the hands back to the mat, lengthening back up. Take the left toes forward, walk the hands back around to the front, step back to downward facing dog. Let's take one last flow here Option if you need to stay in downward facing dog. Bring both knees to the mat, sit back into child's pose. Beautiful work. Walk the hands back towards the knees. Let's come on over to our back. And because it is either a morning practice or a practice throughout your day, we're not going to spend too long in our resting pose. We'll just take a little roll around here though on the spine, or just do any kind of movement that you feel your body needs. You might want to come up into a hip bridge, even a shoulder stand. So whatever feels good for your body right now. And just start to slow things down now. Bring the legs out long. Take any final movements that you feel your body needs. Let the body sink down into the mat. Relaxing as much as you can. Just enjoy this little rest. Take a deep breath in. Full breath out. Gently start to move the body, wriggle the fingers and the toes. Maybe take a big stretch, reach overhead, point through the toes. And rolling to one side, make your way back to a seated position. So I hope you enjoyed that power flow. Set you up for your day, brought some good energy into your body and your system. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.